You are working on your PC when suddenly a blue screen freezes everything. Stop code critical process died. This happens when an essential Windows process crashes unexpectedly. In this guide, I will show you how to fix this safely and quickly. Let us get started.
First, we will repair your Windows system files using DISM and SFC. Search for Command Prompt, right-click, and run as administrator. Type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. After that completes, type SFC/scano and hit Enter. Windows will automatically find and repair any corrupted system components.
Next, if the problem is a bad sector on your storage drive, CHKDSK can fix it. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type CHKDSKC/F/R and press Enter. Type Y to schedule the scan for the next restart and reboot your computer. Windows will scan and repair your drive on startup.
If the blue screen persists, boot into Windows Recovery Environment by force shutting down your PC 3 times during startup. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and select Uninstall Updates to remove recent buggy updates. Alternatively, boot into Safe Mode to update your graphics and storage drivers.
This error is usually caused by registry damage, faulty drivers, or bad hardware sectors. A critical safety warning: never download DLL or system files from unofficial third-party websites, as they often contain viruses. Always trust official Microsoft sources to keep your system safe.
Your critical process died blue screen error should now be completely resolved. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more quick tech solutions, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.